Tashidalag everyone and Agambu Naruam. I am Lhamu, former Miss Universe Arunachalees 2024. I have a very important announcement for you all. This year, Central Mopin Itanagar is celebrating its Diamond Jubilee. And as we celebrate this special milestone of ours, we are also celebrating Mopin Taamww Itanagar 2026 with a mission to prevent, protect and promote the Galo language. Language is a gift, but it is a gift which is meant to be shared. And hence, this year we believe that for a language to truly grow, it must be heard by everyone. So we not just call out our Galo sisters, but every tribe, every voice and every heart across our beautiful land. As by speaking our tongue together, we can make our culture wider and bond stronger, because true culture grows when we share. So I invite all of you to be a part of this special mission of ours. The audition for Mopin Taamww Itanagar is on 24th of March at Hotel Todo, Itanagar. And the finale is on 7th April at Mopin Solum Ground, Itanagar. But the most exciting part of all is that the winner of Mopin Taamww Itanagar will be receiving a prize of 5 lakh. So girls, be ready, be yourself and just let your talent shine on the stage. I am very excited to see you all there. Okay,